In this video, I will show you how to hide your old username on Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Discord. Now, Discord recently made an update where they've actually changed the format of username. So if I come down to my profile and give this a click, you will see I have the new style username. The old one had like a hashtag after your username with a set of 4 numbers. But this is still displayed on your profile as like a legacy badge. So to turn this off, it's actually very easy to do. What you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your settings. Now from here, what you want to do is come to the left hand side, and if you look under the user settings section up at the top, what you want to do is click onto profiles. And you'll see we have our legacy badge here. So if I actually hover over this, you can see it's got my old username. So to go ahead and hide this, all you need to do is scroll down. And you will see slightly down the page, you've got this option which says legacy username badge. All you want to do is simply go ahead and untick the box. And that's going to hide that from your profile. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you wanted to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.